So here we have what I've recently ordered off Amazon, a Colaze Dehumidifier, which controls humidity levels in your home at a simple touch of a button. So I ordered it because in the winter, you get moisture building up in the window, damp and condensation, and that can lead to black spot mold. So it's got 2 fan speeds according to the box, auto defrost, a small 2 litre water tank, but it has a special feature that deals with that, and a 1 to 24 hour timer. The special feature is the drain hose. So you can just plug that in and it doesn't need to use the 2 litre tank, and it goes straight to the drain. Made in China, model number PD12R-02AE. Yeah, well, it was relatively inexpensive. I'll put the link in the description. Just sort of around about £100, maybe 110. So it comes with instruction manuals, which we'll look at in a minute. And there's the unit itself. So I'd already unboxed it, but the video wasn't running, of course. It had a safety film on here, and on here, which I've removed. And the plug was all wrapped up and it was in here. This is the 2 litre tank. And it says not to put a kink in the hose, not to have it go into a bucket uphill, or this is the ideal way, is just to plug it in the back and have it go into the hose. It comes with this pipe, which is fairly long. Several pipes joined together. I think it's 3 pipes joined in together. And you just take this end here and you plug it into there. Okay, and then the other end, just stick down inside a shower hose or down a sink, somewhere like that. But you don't really want the water running uphill. Wiring diagram down here, and here it sort of mentions that every now and then you want to be cleaning this filter. Okay, let's plug it in and see what happens. So that's the overflow. I'll put this end into the sink and put something on it so it doesn't float away. Let's have a look. There you go, that's good. Take this end and plug it in. Power on. And you've got a display on the top. So humidity setting, timer 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, and then speed, press power, and the fan kicks in. So current humidity level is 63 degrees, it's rising to 65. If you keep your home's humidity level at 60 or lower, 70 or lower, between 60 and 70, you shouldn't have any black spot mold. I'll put in a link in the description because I use these humidity detectors. This is the humidity detector I use. As you can see, it's basically 18 degrees and the relative humidity is 62%. So below 70, and I'm not going to get black spot mold or beading on the windows. I bought 3 of them, so this is another part of the house. This is 67 at 17.8 degrees. Because it's below 70, I'm not getting beading windows. But above 70, that's when that happens, and then you have a risk of condensation building up and then getting black spot mold. So it's chugging along nicely in the kitchen, and we've got a humidity reading of 62 degrees, 61 now. It's doing its job. So we'll leave it run, and we'll see what happens if the tank gets full. What I'll do is I'll disconnect the overflow pipe actually, and we'll see how much water it connects in that pipe, in the 2 litre reservoir. Now that's an interesting setting. So the humidity setting here, you can adjust the relative humidity. So you have comfort mode, which is AU, and back to continuous dehumidity. So CO is continuous. So it just runs and runs and runs. Here, you press CO and then you go relative humidity 30, 40, 50 to 60. So now it will run till the relative humidity is at 60 and then turn itself off. So at the moment the relative humidity is 59, so it should turn itself off in a bit and then click in and click out on that humidity setting. So that's a really advanced setting. So what happens is I've set it to 60, but when it gets to 57, it will automatically turn off according to the instruction manual. And then when it raises to 63, it will then automatically turn back on again, making this more advanced than the older dehumidifiers that I have. Don't forget to check the description for the links for the humidity monitor and the dehumidifier. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.